On lifted TJ applications where the rear pinion angle is raised, the body of the shock will hit the axle tube. First step is to remove the factory shocks to allow the access to the housing bracket. You can use an adjustable wrench to open up the bracket and accept the new spacer. Now install the shock relocator bracket using the hardware provided and tighten it down to spec. For this install, we chose to upgrade the shocks to a pair of Rancho shocks that installed by using the factory hardware.
To purchase this product or for more information, visit RockJock4x4.com. Also, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, here on YouTube. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to keep up with all our videos.